Hello students, so today we are going to start the chapter mole concept. So first thing that we are going to learn is define mole. So what is the definition? What is the definition of mole? A mole is defined as that amount of the substance which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms present in exactly 12 gram of C12 isotope. Suppose 12 gram of C12 isotope contains Na atoms. Now if we consider oxygen, and if I see that x gram of oxygen contains this Na number of atoms, then I shall say that this x gram is the value of 1 mole of oxygen. That is 1 mole of oxygen means x gram of oxygen. Okay. Now what is Avogadro's number? This number that we have learned over here, that is the number of elementary entities present in 1 mole of that substance, that is considered as Avogadro's number. So the number of elementary particles present in 1 mole of a substance was calculated by Avogadro. This number was first calculated by the scientist named Avogadro. This number is called Avogadro's number. The number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This number you have to remember. Now the next thing is define gram atomic mass. When the atomic mass of an element is expressed in gram, it is known as gram atomic mass. Now what does it mean? The number of atoms present in certain gram of a substance is, suppose, this Avogadro number. So the mass, the gram of that mass, that is considered as gram atomic mass. That is, if I talk about carbon, then this 12 gram is considered to be the gram atomic mass of carbon. Define atomic mass unit. An atomic mass unit is defined as 1 by 12th part of the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Okay, this is a very simple definition. If you take carbon 12 isotope, okay, then if you divide this atom of carbon 12 into 12 equal parts, then one part will measure a certain amount which is called 1.67 to the minus 27 kg. This is called atomic mass unit. So I am repeating myself. If you take some carbon 12 isotope, one atom of it is divided into 12 equal parts. One atom only of this carbon 12 isotope is divided into 12 equal parts, and if you take only one part of that, then that measurement is called atomic mass unit. The measurement is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kgs approximately. This is not an exact value. Acha. Define molar volume of a gas. 1 mole of all gaseous substances at 273 Kelvin. You already know that this is nothing but the 0 degree centigrade temperature. So 1 mole of all gaseous substances at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure, that is the standard atmospheric pressure, occupies a volume equal to 22.4 liter. Any gas of all the gases, if you take one mole of it at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure, then it will occupy the same amount of volume no matter whatever gas you have taken. Then that value equals to 22.4 liter. That volume equals 22.4 liter. This is called the molar volume of the gas. Now there is a numerical problem which is very interesting here. You can see that you have to convert 16 grams of carbon dioxide into mole. Now gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 12 plus 2 into 16. You know that 12 is, this is the value, this 12 gram is the gram atomic mass of carbon, and this is for oxygen. If you calculate this, this will give you 44 grams. So if 44 grams is 1 mole, you know that 44 grams of carbon dioxide is 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So if 44 grams is 1 mole, then 16 grams will be 16 divided by 44. Simple unitary method. That will give the answer 0.36 mole. Achha. Now the next question. Question number 7 says calculate the number of S8 molecules in 32 gram of sulfur. S is given 32. Now gram molecular mass of S8 is 8 into 32, because there are 8 atoms present in this S8 molecule. So this gram is the measurement of 1 mole of this S8 molecules. So now it will contain Avogadro number of molecules, because you already know that 1 mole of any substance contains this number of molecules. So 32 gram of sulfur will contain this divided by this into this, the simple unitary method. If you calculate this, 32 and 32 will be gone. You can divide this one by 8. So this will give you the answer 0.752 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. You can check the answer for yourself. Now assignment. You have to do 3 sums. How many liters of ammonia are present in 0.34 kg of it? Okay, nitrogen, you know, the all the values, all the requisite values are already provided in your book, so you can take help from there. Calculate the total number of elementary particles in 0.95 gram of magnesium chloride. Calculate the number of sodium atoms present in 11.5 gram of sodium. In this case, I have already provided the value of the gram atomic mass of sodium, 1 mole of sodium. So these three simple sums you have to do on your own. Thank you and take care.